everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a really cool product that was sent to me. So the company reached out. They're not paying me to talk about this. They did send me the product for free to review it, and to be honest, I reviewed it, I snacked on it, it was delicious. So I thought I would do like a sort of unboxing with you, sort of a review. Let's just get into it. We're talking about a Munch Pak box. So this here is Munch Pak. They start at $9.99 US a month, depending on what type of package you want. This contains a lot of snacks. I think they sent me the medium size one, which has like 10 plus snacks in it. I didn't really count, but there's a lot in here, and oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so first off, it comes in this awesome, cute box that would make a really good gift, to be honest. And of course, there's a smiley face on it, because getting snacks in the mail is always a way to be happy. When you open it up, they have wicked awesome packaging and branding, I'm just gonna say that. They have an app. I've not downloaded it, but you can do lots of things with it. There is, well, I mean, their branding is pretty awesome. From a branding nerd, I'm gonna say that their branding is awesome. So this particular package was packed up by somebody named Luz, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not. And so the idea of Munch Pak is that it has snacks from around the world in it. So it's not all like Japanese snacks or all like weird gross things that you are just trying for shits and giggles. No, this is things you might actually want to eat or buy again. So that's that card. Then this is the fun card. This card is specifically for me. It says basically like tips on how to take the best photo of your box, and then on the back it has a unique promo code just for you guys, well, and anybody else I want to give it to. So if you use the code McAllister, MCALLISTER, you will get $3 off of your Munch Pak. It does expire November 1st, 2019. And if you use, you can like use the URL munchpak.com/McAllister to get to where you're going. It's not an affiliate code. I'm not signed up for their affiliate program, to my knowledge, but you can save yourself $3 if you want to get a Munch Pak, because I'm not gonna lie, I got a little snacky last night and was eating some of these snacks in bed. All right. Just gonna be honest. Alright, cute little bits of paper. There's not an over amount of packaging, so there's not tons of like shreddy bits and things like that that are unnecessary, even though they're sending food. It was just really well packaged, and like everything was fit in there like a puzzle piece. Alright, the first thing I tried, well actually, this was the first thing I tried, which is from Canada, because, you know, is the Tomahawk chips, ketchup potato chips. They were pretty good in terms of ketchup chips. They weren't the worst ones I've had, weren't the best ones because they didn't have a ton of ketchup-y flavor, but I think some people, if that's the first time they've ever had ketchup chips, which is not, because clearly I'm from Canada, so like I love me some ketchup chips. But if it's the first time they've ever had ketchup chips, it was probably a good one to have because it wasn't too intense. There are other ones that are like melt your face off ketchup. Also tried these Hare's deep dish pizza flavored cheese curls, because of course the US needs deep dish flavored cheese curls. These are essentially pizza flavored cheesies, and as long as you don't smell inside the bag while you're eating them, they are freaking delicious. and they didn't make me feel sick afterwards, which happens a lot with pizza flavored things. So the other thing I tasted was these Double Dutch maple stroopwafels. I've never had stroopwafels before, but holy shiz, I am going to find more of these because this was so freaking good. And the caramel inside wasn't like overly, or like the maple center wasn't like overly sweet or runny or anything like that. It was like gooey and it was delicious. So good. Anyway, oh, I have dog hair in my nose. I have looked at all of these things, just so you know, because I was really curious yesterday. I couldn't like hold out. So okay, so this is the this is peanut butter cup flavored coffee. Its country is USA, and it is from Coffee Shop of Horrors, and it's their Game Over flavor. And it smells like peanut butter through the little like scent hole in the back here, but I don't drink coffee at all. So I was thinking that I should do a giveaway for this. So you coffee addicts, the contest rules are going to be, go over to my Instagram, find the photo featuring Minnie, my mom's dog, and the Munch Pak. You'll know which one I'm talking about. She's sitting on it. I'll put it on the screen here. And comment, you know, which are your favorite snacks, and I will choose a winner and send this to you. Make sure your account is not private. If it's private, I can't message you, and then I can't get your address to send you the coffee. I can tell you this smells freaking delicious, and yeah, it smells good, but I don't drink coffee, so this will be completely wasted on me, and no one in my house will drink it either. So I figured I should share the love with you guys. All right, you know what to do. Go to my Instagram. It's linked. Something else I got into last night, but I did not finish because it's gigantic, is this Cross Dorina Mousse, M-O-U-S-S-E, chocolate bar. It says creamy chocolate bar filled with rich chocolate mousse from Croatia. So I thought I would show you what it looks like. And oops, they actually put the proper, like they put the nutritional information on here. It's a little soft because it's been sitting in my room. It's hard to get out with one hand too. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty good. It reminds me of like the texture of an Aero bar, if you know what those are. But like a little softer with less bubbles. I don't know if I want to open all of these, but I'm going to go through the rest of the snacks because you guys don't need to watch me eat any of this. So, from India, we have the Hide and Seek Fab chocolate cookies, or flavored cookies. Crunchy chocolate chip cookies with chocolate cream. So it's like a chocolate chip cookie with chocolate icing in the middle. It looks delicious, and I am pretty excited to try these. I think my mom would really like these too. Then we've got these Kasugia lychee gummy candies. Chewy textured gummies with fruity lychee flavor. They are resealable, which is pretty nice. These are from Japan. I'm going to open these ones up because I'm very curious. I've never had lychee before, so, and I don't like the texture of a lot of like weird fruits, so it does not smell nice, that's for sure. It's okay. Like, it's a good gummy. They're gluten-free. I don't know. Didn't realize like gummies had gluten regularly, but all of the ingredients and not instructions, you know what I mean. Nutritional information is in English, so you can know what's going on here, but yeah. Okay. My arm actually hurts from holding that box up, so. Alright, these are bourbon fettuccine cola gummies. Chewy gummies with sour sugar and sweet cola flavor from Japan. These ones are resealable, so let's try these. I don't really want to try them all with you guys, but this one's resealable. I don't really like cola flavor as a candy, but I love sour candies. So, they look like a little chopped up fettuccine noodle. Okay. The lychee was quite a soft gummy. This is like a really like gotta get your teeth into it kind of thing. They're not too sour. However, I don't like the cola flavor. It does taste like cola, but I just don't like it. Mostly because that's not the type of candy I like. So, next up we have the Lotte, L-O-T-T-E, not sure how I'm supposed to pronounce it, Koala's March Caramel flavor. Crunchy koala shaped cookies with sweet caramel cream. These are from Japan. If you've ever tried those like panda ones, I think these are very similar. I'm not going to open these. I'm going to wait until my sister is home. She's at work. And I'm going to get her to try them with me because she really likes those panda ones. So, then for the final Japanese snack is the Morinaga Haichu Japanese watermelon flavor soft chewy candy made with natural watermelon juice. I think these will be right up my street. I love watermelon flavored things. They seem really cool. And I know that if I want more, I can get some at Midori here in town, or I will find them somewhere else. Alright, final item in the box. Oh, okay, that is really cool. I just found something in the bottom. Okay, so it says, buy more of your favorite snacks from the Munch Pak snack scanner app or visit us online at munchpak.com/shop. So you can, if you want more of something, you can go on their website and get it, which is awesome. Alright, so this one is from Serbia, and it is the Takovo Euro Blockic Milk Hazelnut Cocoa Bar. Creamy milk chocolate and hazelnut bar. So there's like a few in here, I guess. That sounds sort of like a Kinder, whatever they're called. Sounds pretty cool. I don't particularly like hazelnut, but I will try it. But these will probably go to my sister because she loves her some hazelnut. Alright, so that's everything that's in my Munch Pak. I am definitely not eating all of this now. I just had lunch, so I'm gonna set that back there. I want to say thank you to Munch Pak who sent me that. They just reached out and were like, hey, can we send this to you? I was like, yeah, that sounds pretty awesome actually. So thank you to them. And if you do want to get one for yourself with the $3 off code, all the information is in the description box. And yeah, maybe in the comments you guys can share some of your favorite snacks from your country, because I know you're not all from the US and Canada. So I'd love to hear that. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!